hello, this is me Mehak and welcome to the Blitz news channel. At least 9 people were killed and several injured after a bus collided with car in Gujarat's Navsari on Saturday. The injured have been admitted to a hospital. According to preliminary information, all occupants of the car died on the spot, while at least 30 people were injured. The accident occurred on a national highway near Wasma village when the bus was going towards Valsad, while the SUV was coming from the opposite direction. Navsari Superintendent of Police Rishikesh Upadhyay said, of the 9 persons travelling in the SUV, 8 died on the spot along with the driver of the luxury bus. He said those travelling in the SUV were residents of Ankleshwar in Gujarat and they were on their way back to their hometown from Valsad. Upadhyay said, adding that the passengers of the bus hailed from Valsad. So that's it from us in this update. Thank you for your time.